I call it oregano, but dry oregano, but it's called oregano. Most in the world, you know. Ciao, it's Marco from Delivita, and on this video I'm going to show you my own take on this classic recipe. We're going to go and make chimichurri. So chimichurri is a classic dressing of sorts which is originally from Argentina and Uruguay. Every chef has his own take on it, and also every cook at home has his own take, okay? I'll show you mine, but the beauty of chimichurri is you can make your own style, okay? One of the most important things while making a good chimichurri is having fresh ingredient, fresh herb, okay? And what I love about the Grillo kitchen is we've got fresh herb at hand. So here we're gonna get our fresh parsley. For the chimichurri you need like a generous bunch, okay? And you go and use the leaves, so don't use the stalk, okay? A little bit, yeah? Cut them off like that, simply. Here you don't need of like, you know, chop too fine. It's nice with a little crunch, but it needs to be chopped, okay? So, bundle it all up, and then go like that, and then you can really go to town, okay, with that, and start, you know, enjoying this therapy session. Chimichurri, when you made it, so you have in your fridge and use it for the next 4 or 5 days. And I guarantee you, when you make it once, you're gonna do it again and again and again and again. And each time it's gonna taste better because you're gonna learn what you and your family like. Parsley, generous bunch, done. Okay, with the fresh oregano, you kind of get the leaves out because the stems are too fat, let's say, and you know, chewy. Crunch all up, and then go to town with the second therapy session. The smell is so nice. How do you call this, guys? So So you need garlic and a pestle and mortar. It's better if you have one. Otherwise, you can do it, you know, with a knife by hand. Salt inside the pestle and mortar, and then couple of garlic cloves. For this amount of chimichurri, 1, 2 maximum are enough. Così. Okay, bam. What you're gonna do, you're gonna go and make a nice paste, okay? The salt will help it grind it down. One of the you know, most important reason of leaving the chimichurri to ferment a little bit, at least a couple of hours, day before is better, is the garlic. If you eat it right away, you'll only taste garlic inside. Okay? So, look. Beautiful. Bam. Another ingredient we need is fresh chilies. I like it quite spicy, so I put always, depending, you know, on the quantity here, 2, 3. Here we're gonna put 3 nice chilies, eh? Boom. Okay. Olive oil. Okay, olive oil. For this recipe, use the best olive oil you know you can find, let's say, okay? And we put all our ingredients inside, okay? Pinch of salt, dry oregano, garlic paste inside. You go in and you submerge all your ingredients, okay? So bam. So you see I'm using quite a lot of olive oil for the quantity of my ingredient, yeah? Okay, stop. Wait a second. So now, okay, let me check. Yeah, that's perfect. Go and kind of shake it all up, okay? Get it all Yeah, like this, bam, bam, bam. I want it to be perfect, okay? Perfect. We need to leave it for at least 2 hours. Overnight is even better for all this flavor to kind of become one, okay? Because now, you know, you taste the salt, the chili, you taste them all individually, but we want them to become one. Here we are. This is my own take on the classic chimichurri recipe, which you can use on everything. You can use on meat, fish, you can use on vegetables, salad. It's just delicious and it goes well with everything, okay? It's also quite addictive, okay? So beware. Boom.